Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, we will look at VoxCPM. So you might have heard of 11 lab. So if you haven't heard, I will show you. So this is 11 lab. One second. Okay, this is 11 labs website. So it's a AI voice generator. So you have various premium voices that is available in this platform, and it is used by leading developers and enterprises. So they have a cost model where they charge you for many premium models. So you can start for free, and they have a cost on different models. So this is text to speech model. Okay, so if you go to the pricing, you can see the cost. So you can start for free, then you have $0 per month starter plan. So here you have a limitation of 20 projects in the studio. Here you have $11 per month, which has 1021k credits per month, which is 1,21,000 credits per month, and it's quite expensive, as you can see here. So now somebody has gone ahead and open sourced it completely. It's known as VoxCPM. So using this, you can pretty much do what you do with 11 labs, that too offline. So you see, this is one of the most starred GitHub repo, as you can see here. So that itself shows how useful it is. So VoxCPM is a tokenized free text to speech system that directly generates continuous speech representation via an end-to-end diffusion autoregressive architecture by passing discrete tokenization to achieve highly natural and expressive synthesis. So you would have seen various YouTube videos where you would have seen that voiceover. Sometimes you feel very easily that this is AI generated, but the ones that is generated using this is more human-like. So here it shows you how you can install it. So this is in Python. You can install it by going ahead and do a pip install VoxCPM. Then this is the Python API which you can use. So this is the voice design module. So here you can put a text saying that, "A young woman, gentle and sweet voice, hello, welcome." So based on that, you can even input a voice that could be a reference voice. So this is the web demo. So let's see if there is a web demo available where I can show you. Okay, so that should be there in some website. So you see this is how you do it locally. So this is the entire working, how it works. So you don't have to understand all those things. So the entire documentation, you can find it here. So Nano VLLM model. So there are various files. So there is a browser based TTS extension also which you can use here. So now let's go ahead and look at some of this is the website of it. So this is the source code, you can see. These are the models on Hugging Face. So now if you look at VoxCPM laboratory, so this is the female Spanish announcer.
VoxCPM es un innovador modelo
So now let's say angry.
I thought you were coming back to save me. Do you know how long I've been waiting? I thought you were coming back.
The path ahead is perilous.
Okay, so now let's try the online demo of it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try the online demo, which is there in Hugging Face. Okay, so this is limited use. So if you want to do it, you can locally deploy it and use it, where you will get unlimited usage, unlike 11 labs and other platforms where you are charged per length of the audio. So when you deploy it locally, then you are using your resources to do all the processing. Okay, so it has 30 language multilingual it is. So it has voice design. You can create brand new voice from a natural language description alone by say mentioning the gender, age and tone. it's controllable cloning. Clone any voice from a short reference clip. That has ultimate cloning, they are saying. You can reproduce every vocal nuance, provide both reference audio and its transcript. 48 kilohertz high quality video. It is context aware synthesis, automatically infers appropriate prosody and expressiveness from text content. So there is real-time streaming also possible for this. So now it is asking me for the reference audio. So this is optional. So if I look at ultimate cloning mode, which is transcript guided cloning, auto transcribes the reference audio. So I can turn that on. Then here I can upload the audio. Maybe I'll just record it and I'll just read what is there here. Okay, let's click on reference, record. No reference audio required. Describe the desired voice characteristics, that is gender, age, tone, emotion, pace in control instruction, and VoxCPM 2 will craft a unique voice from your description alone. Upload a reference audio clip, then use control instruction to steer emotion, speaking pace and overall style while preserving the original timbre. Turn on ultimate cloning mode and provide the reference audio transcript. I'm going to stop. So this is what it has recorded. No reference audio required. Okay, so let's see. That was the audio. Let's click on generate speech and see. So ultimate cloning mode requires a transcript, that's what it's saying. So this is where I had to give a transcript. Maybe that is the reason it didn't go through. Let's go with the other one. No reference audio required. So here a control instruction that is required: a warm young woman, excited and fast paced. Maybe I'll give it. Maybe I don't want a reference script transcribed, so I'll just say generate speech directly. So now it's processing. So let's see. Okay, it has already done it. VoxCPM 2 is a creative multilingual TTS model from ModelBest, designed to generate highly realistic speech. So it has cloned my model. So now if I want, I can just mention target text. You see this? I never said that. Right? I never said that. So let's go to one of my website and give a text from there. Okay, so let's say this innovation challenge, I want my voice to be used to read that out. Okay, so now I'll just go here and just mention this and just say generate speech. Okay, now I won't be reading it. You will see it from the audio. You will hear from the audio that how it is playing that text. So I just gave it a reference of my voice and it will understand that, and using that it will generate the new voice. So that means if you want to do a YouTube video, you just have to put a reference video, and from that it will create a new voice altogether of that person cloned, and then you can use that to create a audio of that particular script that you are given it. Okay, so now let's go through it. I am not the one. Advances in commercial space, artificial intelligence and edge computing are transforming what is possible for Earth observation. By pushing more intelligence on board, missions can move from passively collecting data to actively interpreting and responding to changing surface conditions in near real time, enabling more targeted observations and dramatically improving the value of data returned to the ground. Within this context, land-focused applications such as regenerative agriculture, sustainable forestry. So you can see it is quite impressive. So you can try it out and use it, and you can use that different settings also that is available here. I just showed you the very basic format. I hope it's useful, and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much.